Hello and welcome to Zoom TV. I'm Parul Sharma and I hope you and your loved ones are safe and well. Today I have with me Bollywood's latest dynamic pairing. Please join me in welcoming Radhika Madan and Sunny Kaushal. Hello, hello.
Hello.
Firstly, saw the trailer. Steamy, hot, intense,
Thank you.
gripping. मतलब words are failing me. और नीचे ऐसे private theatrical experience मिला तो सब up close and personal था. Please tell me, did you guys hit it off from day one or was it a slow and steady start working together?
पहले दिन से
Yeah,
हो
yeah,
गया
I
था
think on a personal level, like as Radhika and Sunny, yeah, we hit it off first day. But we had extensive reading sessions and also obviously we opened up more with
Yeah.
each other. But yeah, first day se we didn't have any kind of reservations with each other or anything. We
ऐसे
were just-
fast friends
मतलब
बन गए.
एकदम मतलब फिट हुआ एंड आगे बढ़े थे
Yeah.
दे वर नो ऐसे कि ओ ईगोज आ रही हैं और ऐसे हो रहा है कि
Uncomfy हो रहा है.
नहीं
हाँ, नहीं,
नॉट
बिल्कुल
एट
भी
ऑल नॉट एट ऑल लाइक वेरी कंफर्टेबल फ्रॉम द
Yeah,
वेरी
yeah.
फर्स्ट ईयर
मुझे इसमें चेकिंग में दिमाग comfy था
हाँ,
ना.
सही था ना, सही था।
हाँ, मैं था,
Okay, so now it would be a crime not to ask you guys this question considering the theme of your movie. क्या आपको कभी शिद्दत वाला प्यार हुआ है? मतलब all encompassing love. Please give all details. Don't leave anything out.
आप बताइए सर आपका तो
हाँ, मुझे तो बहुत हुआ है. मुझे तो जब भी प्यार होता है वो शिद्दत वाला ही होता है. आधा अधूरा नहीं रहता मेरा. या तो नहीं होता या तो पूरा होता है. वो जो हम बोलते हैं ना कि ओ यू नो आई हैव अ क्रश ऑन दिस गर्ल, आई हैव अ क्रश ऑन दैट गाय. मुझे क्रश नहीं होता.
मुझे
मुझे
सीधा-
प्यार होता है. मुझे सीधा प्यार हो जाता है.
0 to level 100.
0 to level 100 एकदम.
आई एम लाइक अली फ्रॉम धूम कि मैं देखती हूँ और मेरे को मैं इधर शादी इधर बच्चे इधर बच्चों के बच्चे
लहंगा हो गया.
एक्चुअली आई एम अली फ्रॉम धूम व्हेन इट कम्स टू लव. सो मुझे भी हुआ है और भाई सेम है कि भाई करा है तो पूरा करो वरना
All in.
ऑल इन
Yeah, yeah.
और नथिंग.
Right. So Radhika, your Bollywood debut was technically Mard Ko Dard and theatrically Pataka.
Pataka, yeah.
Right? Both brilliant, by the way. Both of them were also sort of underdogs, but they actually got massive critical acclaim, like they should have. However, I know you. I've spoken to you before, and you're very open about like your crazy Bollywood masala, like love for like all-out kind of movies. I want to know, was there any part of you that sort of wished for like a YRFE Dharma esque wala release, or were you absolutely content at that time and you thought that Mard and Pataka were exactly what your career needed?
After Pataka and Mard, yes. Before entering into the industry, I thought कि डेब्यू मतलब बाल तो उड़ेंगे ना यार ऐसे कैसे
पर
मतलब
बाल तो उड़े थे मर्द को भी.
मैंने exactly same चीज बोली थी. So when I think after working with Vishal sir and Vasan sir, I flipped as a person.
Right.
I got to I realized the value of the craft, and for me that was more important than any external validation. And I'm so glad and I'm so fortunate and grateful that I got the opportunity to work with them पहली 2 फिल्म्स में क्योंकि फिर मेरा कोर थोड़ा सेट हो गया. फाउंडेशन अगर आपकी अच्छी है ना तो फिर आप सही टैंजेंट पे जाओगे.
Right.
अगर फाउंडेशन ही ऐसे है कि external validation, how am I looking, बाल उड़े, oh my mascara, oh this, oh I didn't look pretty or what, then
Right.
then my जो मैंने आगे के भी projects किए होते तो वो भी ऐसे होते कि I'm not looking pretty in that they've given me specs, so I don't know, you know, I just told them कि मेरे को lenses पे ना दें, but that character and shit, so it would have been like that rather than thriving on
Character and shit.
the character and shit. What Udaipuri clothes are that? Like the print was so cheap.
What is going on?
So it would have been that
Yeah.
rather than just embracing the character and merging with the character.
So your outlook really changed towards the rest of your
Definitely,
career.
kudos to them. Like all credit to them.
Absolutely. Sunny, now let's go back to the start of your Bollywood
हाँ
debut, which was 2016 ensemble comedy, right?
Yeah.
2-part question.
Yeah.
First part is that was that everything that you'd hoped for? Were you content with it, or was it something? Was there something about that you could have changed about your debut film? Second part, your brother Vicky Kaushal entered the industry with his independent debut just a year prior to that.
Yeah.
What advice did he give you? Because I would assume that he would be the one person who would know exactly what you're feeling, because that trajectory getting into the industry would have been exactly the same.
Interestingly, we entered the industry almost at the same time. I was an assistant director on a
Yeah.
couple of films. He was assisting on Gangs of Wasseypur and all. We were doing theatre almost together. We were giving auditions almost together. So he was also pretty new to give anybody any advice,
Right.
frankly, at that time. वो खुद मसान के बाद में he was like, okay, now what next, and you know all that stuff.
Yeah.
So and more than that, it's our father. We
Yeah.
have somebody who's been in this industry since, I don't know what, 30, 40 years, you know. So we take his advice a lot if need be, but he's also a very independent kind of a guy, you know. He's like, you feel like doing it, you do it. You know, I'm here if you ask me something, but otherwise it's your call. And that's what happened with the first film also. When I got it, you know, I always believe that the other thing chooses you. It's my personal belief.
Right.
So, and that was a great opportunity for me to be a part of
At the
the
time.
industry at the time,
Yeah.
you know, after giving a lot of auditions and everything and all that stuff. And whatever the fate of the film, that's the fate of the film. But I absolutely had a blast shooting
Right.
for the film. I remember I met with the director, and after that I had given Dad a call that, you know, should I go ahead? He's like, I mean, it's your gut feeling. What does
Yeah.
your gut feeling tell you to do, you know? So,
Basically, he wasn't like every other meddling father. He was like, बेटा actually ये कर लेते
हाँ
तो
नहीं
better
वो
रहेगा."
क्योंकि उन्होंने भी वो देखा नहीं है ना, वो 23 साल के थे जब बॉम्बे आ गए थे पंजाब से. So
Right.
he made whatever he's made, and his parents तो were not even a part of the industry
Yeah.
from by a long shot,
Short, yeah.
to even understand what हमारा बेटा करता क्या है. ठीक है.
Right.
So वो था. So he's a very chill guy like that.
Radhika, I think it's really cool that your filmography is so varied. You've got your unconventional mards, and then you're doing like mini-series, Ray and Feels Like Ishq, and then the Kuttes of the world, right? These are like
Yeah.
the big-ticket masala entertainers. And let me tell you, I think it's really cool that that's happening because not too many people are doing that. You know, to actually go out and be at the position that you're in and do all sorts of things. Like people are like, अब यही entertainer करूँगी या यहीं पे slot होंगी. My question is, are you consciously trying to do that? Like, is there a part of you that's like really consciously trying to like, you know, shake it up and be like, I don't want to get slotted, or it's just sort of happening?
See, as a person, I just get bored easily. So when it comes to choosing films and characters, if I've lived that life once, I wouldn't want to live it again.
Right.
Because that's the sole reason why I became an actor, because I just get bored living Radhika's life.
Yeah.
So if I've lived Badki's life or Tarika's life or Kartika's life, I wouldn't want to repeat it क्योंकि मैं तो जी ली ना यार.
Right.
नया लेके आओ ना, क्या करूँ मैं? अब मुझे क्या जीना है? So मेरे को अट्रैक्टिव वही चीज़ें करती है, and by the way ये सब चीज़ें हो रही हैं. One thing is there that I don't want to be put in a box.
Yeah.
अगर कोई बोले because after पटाखा I kept getting roles जो गाँव वाले रस्टिक ये फिर आफ्टर अंग्रेजी अरे बच्ची बना दो, इसकी बेटी बना देते हैं, उसकी बेटी बना देते हैं. सो आई मेक श्योर दैट जब तुमने मुझे एक टैग दे दिया, आई मेक श्योर कि वो टैग हटेगा मेरे यहाँ.
So it's a very
और मेरे
conscious decision.
मतलब आई क्योंकि मैं अट्रैक्टिव उनसे होती हूँ, एंड इट्स लाइक कि ओके कि ये मैं नहीं हूँ, यू कांट टेल मी हु एम आई बिकॉज आई एम एनीथिंग एंड एवरीथिंग.
Yeah, that's.
I love that.
I love that line, yeah.
Honestly. Sunny, very intrigued to know,
Haan ji.
coming from a family where legendary action director Shyam Kaushal
Ji.
and both the kids are actors,
Yeah.
right? What is the dinner time conversation like? Like,
Oh.
do you guys talk about Bollywood, or are you one of those avoiding families? क्या scene है? Please बताइए.
We are one of those families who decide every morning कि आज खाने पे हम फिल्मों की बात नहीं करेंगे और खाने पे फिल्मों की ही बात होती है, और फिर मम्मी खाते खाते बस कुछ और बात कर लो, खाना खा लो, कुछ हो गया ये. So yeah, we talk a lot about films. I mean, it's lazmi hai, right?
But natural, yeah.
But natural. There's no one set particular conversation,
Yeah.
right? कुछ जो भी चल रहा है इंडस्ट्री में, नहीं चल रहा है, सभी चीज़ों की बातें होने लग जाती हैं. हाँ, चलते फिरते.
I can imagine your mother would just be like, कहाँ
हाँ, बस वही. मेरी अरे मम्मी तो यही कहती है कि मैं आधी एक्शन डायरेक्टर तो वैसे ही बन गई सुन सुन के.
आधी एक्टर वैसे
आधी एक्टर में वैसे ही बन जाऊंगी अभी तुम्हारी बातें भी सुन सुन के.
Radhika must ask this question, and you can blame Google for it, because it came up a lot while I was researching for this interview very recently, okay? The headlines were, Radhika Madan's dream comes true as she finally works with Ranbir Kapoor. Okay? This is now in reference to the pictures of some ad that I think you recently shot for. Please tell me, did your dream come true? What was that like? Please do tell.
Yeah, like my dream did come true, and wow.
Seriously, all over Google. This is like the first thing that came.
Yeah, because I didn't actually, it didn't hit me on that day. It took me a day or two to realize that I've done it. क्योंकि तुम इतना build-up करते हो ना अपने mind में कि one day. But of course, it was beautiful. It was amazing. Like I learned a lot of things, but I would want to, you know, it was for an advertisement.
Yeah.
And I hope I get an opportunity to do a film with him because he's such a fine actor and you can learn so much from him. So I think my craft is going to improve just by working with him or looking at him.
Can't wait for that pairing also. Must
Yeah,
tell.
it'll be amazing, huh? You guys. Huh?
Thank you.
What would you like the audience to take away from Shiddat?
I would like the audience to take away that the journey is more important
Then the destination.
than the destination.
Poetic.
Yeah, I mean, it is that. The film is actually at the end about that the
Yeah.
journey always matters more than the destination. It's like dancing, you know. You don't dance to finish the dance,
Yeah.
you dance to dance.
Yeah.
Oh,
Exactly.
को छू लेती है ये बातें.
ये तो मतलब this is it.
हाँ, हम दोनों एक्चुअली डांसर्स हैं तो हमको आई थिंक ज्यादा दिल को छुई है ये वाली बात.
क्या
ये
बात है?
तो-
चलो good.
Lovely.
Right.
What about you?
Yeah, it's actually the gist of it, but like your actions speak louder than words, definitely. So just do it because we are a generation जहाँ पर we're too much into our heads.
Yeah.
We're in between. We are in the gray area.
Yeah.
We're not right. We're not wrong. We're a little screwed up, but we still want to love.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We don't want our heart to break, but वो चाहिए. So it's like too many conflicts are inside us.
Right.
And so it is a story about what do you do when love comes to you in its purest form,
Right.
because you are so diluted with conflicts inside you that when that pure love comes to you, you don't know if to accept it or not.
Yeah.
Correct. Yeah.
So it's about that. I think people will be able to relate to it a lot. It's not a cliched conventional love story.
Right. हाँ लग रहा है.
Our generation is gonna relate to it to the T.
Yeah, and also the fact that we, like she said, you know, we are so complex inside that we complicate everything in our head.
Right.
So that's what it's also that actually if you boil it down, love is really very simple. It's the
yeah.
basis for every other emotion, right? So just, it's how you look at it. It's how you choose to look at it actually. Whether you can look at it कि हाँ मुझे इससे प्यार है तो है. या तो कि यार नहीं लेकिन ऐसे भी, लेकिन ये कैसे, पर वो कैसे, लेकिन ये ऐसे, ये तो ये बोल रहा है, तो फिर you start complicating things.
Einstein type calculations.
Correct.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Yeah. Lastly, quick search brings up a ton of articles about the things that you are doing, signing, rejecting. Please tell our viewers, guys, कि आप कौन सी movies actually कर रहे हो, कौन सी नहीं कर रहे हो, what should we be waiting for, what should we be excited about?
You want to start first?
हाँ यार मेरा तो ज़्यादा कुछ है नहीं.
नहीं हम बता देंगे मेरा.
No, so after Shiddat I have Hurdang that'll be coming out. That's me, Nusrat Bharucha and Vijay Verma.
Yeah.
बाकी है कुछ चीज़ें, but I'm actually till the time they actually
Bound by
announce.
contract.
हाँ मतलब it won't be right on my part to just go ahead and say.
तो अभी हमको आप इतना सारी spice दे.
हाँ जी.
So I'm doing a film with Geo, which one film is that. I'm doing a series with Maroc again, with Homi, and I'm doing Kutte with Asman and Vishal sir, and then I have a few projects which I can't talk about, but I can just promise that it wouldn't bore you. Like it will entertain you to another level. It wouldn't be like कि अच्छा इसको तो ये करते हुए देख लिया ना. So it'll surprise you in a nice way, and I hope I get to entertain them as much as I can. Yeah.
You always surprise us in this.
Yeah.
It's fine.
Then I have a video.
है. Surprise factor है.
Thank you so much for joining me and good luck for all of your future projects.
Thank you.
Thank you
so
for
much.
having us.
It was so much fun.